back to Laravel 6 tutorial. In the previous episode we added this hello Laravel route, and we simply returning a text. Now if I wanted to add some HTML, there is not going to work for us anymore. For that we use something called a view, and we have already used it, and we just didn't know about it. Now notice here in the welcome view we use this helper function called view, and inside view we just pass in the string welcome. So first of all, let's take a look at that in the browser just to make sure what we're talking about. If I visit the welcome page now, so the question now, where is this welcome page coming from, and how it's translated, or how it's getting translated into this HTML. For that, let's jump into resources folder. Inside view we have this welcome.blade.php. Now the blade part of this file name has to do with the rendering template that Laravel uses to output some text in terms of blade. We're gonna touch up more on blade in the next episode, but for now just know that your views needs to be labeled like so. The file name .blade.php. Now if I open this welcome.blade.php and scroll down, of course this is a typical HTML file. It's got a body, it's got a head, it's got a title, and here this is the text that we are putting in our view. So let's change that to Larocco, for example. Let's give it a refresh. Here we go, we got Larocco. Now notice something here in the web.php, that we don't have the .blade.php syntax. We just simply use passing welcome string does that for us. So let's create now our own view. Let's create a new file, and let's give it a name, something like hello.blade.php. This is, of course, it's gonna be a typical HTML file. Now I will give it a title, for example Larocco, and here let's just put in h1 tag. For example, let's say hello, and a p tag, and let's say hello from Larocco. Okay. Now how to load this hello page. Let's back out to our web.php file. Now inside this closure we just returning as a simple text. Now we have to use the view helper function, and we just pass in the name of our file. Okay, so let's visit that URL in our browser and see what happened. Okay, and here we are. We got hello from Larocco. Now if we want to put this file in a subdirectory, for example, let's create a new directory inside views, and let's call it Larocco. Okay, and let's move this file into this directory. Okay, now if I visit this page, it's gonna give us a view not found, of course. That's because we have moved our file into a subdirectory. Okay, view hello not found. Now there is a several different way to load this view. You can use, for example, the first notation is we can use for Larocco /hello, and if I give it a refresh, There we go, it's worked. Now there is a second way, is that we use the dot notation or the dot syntax that Laravel comes with, and if I hit refresh, here we go, it's still working. Now, so that's all about our views episode. Go ahead and create your own views, and where you are ready, let's talk about how we can pass a data to our views. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode.